Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Richard in Utah, Richard in Utah, on the Ranger RCI-69FFB4 Blackface Edition. Richard, got ready to go for you, bud? Show you what we got here. Now make sure you're gonna run 4-gauge wire bigger, 23 watts all the way down, just in case you had to run an amp, you got full adjustability. 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. At 225, 230. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, hello, hello, hello. Let's go with a 1000 watt scale. Often when we truckerize these, they will exceed 500. Not only do you get increased audio performance, but a little more on the top too. Hello, 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 hello. So about 580. All right, Richard. Show you sideband real quick. Hello, 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 hello. So a little over 500 on sideband. All right, my friend. We're gonna get it over to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bom, bom.